This should be natural scent, you guys.
Every time the sun goes down, I'll let you take control.
Hi guys, it's Monday, so welcome to a new week. Since today is Monday, what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be, planning the new week. I need to shoot some content. I need to shoot some content for this new week because we are back to our normal uploading days, Thursdays and Sundays. That Tuesday and Sunday. Hi guys, so I'm just coming. I know this angle is terrible. Okay, this is better. You guys, I just went outside to pick something, to pick a product that was sent to me. So let's unbox it so that I can show you guys what it is. Plus I'm very comfortable where I am right now, like, so wouldn't it be nice to unbox it and show you guys what's in here? So hey, okay, look at it. It's from TCB Naturals. It's a hair brand, you guys. First hair brand, right? I'm working with. Yeah, so TCB Natural sent this, you guys, and let's see what's inside. Let us see. Okay, first of all, the first thing that my hands can get on. People would not ask me to do a review on YouTube, sha. Okay, the first thing is this hairband. Yeah, it's cute and it's green. Okay, the next thing here is TCB Naturals 3 oil sheen spray. Olive oil, argan oil, coconut oil. This is a sheen hair spray. So I'm supposed to be creating content with this product. TCB Natural leave-in treatment with shea butter and coconut oil. Yeah. Okay, and finally, anti-dandruff hair food with coconut oil and menthol. A lot of menthol. Ew. Yeah, like, that intense menthol scent or smell, like it. I don't know if you guys understand, but you get the gist, right? So this is it. And the last thing here, guess what this is. Guess in the comments what this is, and let me guess what this is. I feel like this is a hair bonnet. I don't know why. I don't know what it is, but let's see what it is. Make sure you guess in the comments right now. Let's see how many people are gonna get it. Are you done? Are you done guessing? Okay, let's see. What it is? What is it? I failed woefully, you guys. Why did I feel it was a... Why was I feeling it was a hair bonnet? Because hair bonnet... A scarf, you guys. A freaking scarf. What did you guess? Did you guess right? Did you guess right? Let's see, let me know in the comments. So you guys, yeah, these are the things in here. end of the haul or unboxing. Yeah, so I need to get to work, you guys. I need to start planning content. Yeah. Bye. Hi guys. So today is Tuesday, 6th of September. So you guys, today is a filming day because my week is literally jam-packed with a lot of work to do. Editing, filming, different content for brands. Yeah, like how to edit one and post before this Thursday, and I have another one I need to drop on Monday. So right now I'm trying to make up. What's the time? Okay, this is 1 p.m. hopefully before it's 4 p.m. I'm done. So wow, battery low. This is crazy. Anyways, good is happening now so that I can plug it. So you guys, let me do my makeup and I will start filming, and I'll see you guys maybe once I'm done filming or before I start filming. Bye.
Important to make sure that you're spending as much time as you're spending with creating the content on actually making sure the content gets to people by maximizing and optimizing your title and your thumbnail. And you stay blessed. Bye guys.
Hi guys, so today is Wednesday and I am going to be making another juice with pineapple, watermelon and apple. This watermelon is so juicy. I love it. Like, yeah, my juices give me so much joy. So let's do this. You guys, I added ginger and lime. Okay, use this here, ginger and lime to give it some spice. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead to blend it now. You guys, I got 3 jars of juice, which is like, you know, very good, or it's big enough, I think. Yeah, anyways, I need one of those aesthetic glass jars. Yeah, I'm looking for where I'm gonna buy. I know I can find this on Amazon, but if there's a place they sell in Abuja, you guys should, you know, share with me. Okay, yeah, so this is cute though. It's cute. I don't know if I was the one that zoomed this camera that is making me look so freaking wild, like white. You guys, I just got a package. Let me see if we're going to get thumbnail. I never do this kind of thumbnails for vlogs anyways. Anyway, today is Thursday. The video is going up today. The accessories, essentials that you need that will help level up your looks. Okay, make sure to click the link up here to go watch it. Anyways, let me unbox this and show you guys what's in it. First outfit looks like this. The quality is just there, like it's just there. The price, it was like super affordable. Like these clothes are like very, very affordable, so it suits the price. So yeah, love it. Hi guys, so today is Friday, right? Yeah, Friday. I'm going to Custom to shoot a video for their new promo that's going to be going on very soon. Maybe before you guys see this video, they probably will not be doing the promo anymore, but yeah, let's go work. Okay, don't worry, I'll do fit check later. Bye. Come on, focus on me. Hey you guys, so I have done the first thing I'm supposed to do, which is get money from the bank. I went to withdraw money from the bank, so I've done that. Next thing I'm going to do is head to Coldstone to go shoot the video that I'm supposed to shoot. And I don't know, I'm trying to see if I can paint my toenails, but it's already late. This is what's the time? 2 p.m. I'm going to Wuse Market to say I'm going to go and paint nails right now. It's not even funny. Yeah, I'm waiting for my friend Becky so that me and her can go shoot the video. She's supposed to help me shoot it. That's even if she will help, because that girl. Anyways, I wanted to check in with you guys, so yeah, bye. You guys, see how transparent this thing is on camera. Thank God I used nipple pasties. Bye bye. Guys, so I'm done with shooting the custom video. I'm hungry, so we are going to go look for where to eat right now. Okay, what I'm just thinking is how I'm going to drive out of this place. Hi guys, good morning. I know I'm coming in looking all cute and stuff. I feel like this week's vlog is going to be the longest vlog ever because I've had so much activity in 1 week. So freaking much, like a lot of activity. Anyway, so today I have sip and paint networking event, and I also have to go meet my dad. Yeah, my dad came into town and he asked me to come join him, go visit somebody. You know how your parents want to visit all of those. Yeah, so I'm going to go meet my dad first, then after that I head over to the sip and paint event. Yeah, so, and again, you guys, today is Saturday and today is the end of this vlog. Like this is the end of this vlog. You guys will definitely see the whole day in the next vlog, okay? Yeah, so if you like this one, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and make sure to subscribe to see, you know, the continuation of today in the next vlog. Yeah, so without further ado, see you on my next one. Bye.